Hey there everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryer countertop ovens, the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven. We will be splitting the screen and discussing the features of each product side by side. So let's get started. Both the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven offer several cooking functions to choose from. The Ninja offers 8 functions including air fry, air roast, and dehydrate, while the Instant Vortex Plus boasts 6 functions including dehydrate, broil, and reheat. Both ovens have something for everyone. Both ovens use advanced technology for their cooking capabilities. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven uses digital crisp control technology for precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven uses even crisp technology to achieve the perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. You won't be disappointed with either option. When it comes to cooking capacity, the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven pulls ahead with a 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven. The Ninja oven can fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven is perfect for 4 to 6 servings. It all depends on the size of your household and cooking needs. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is priced at $149, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven is priced at $129, making the Instant Vortex Plus a more budget-friendly option. However, the features and capabilities of each oven may make the price difference worth it for your cooking needs. And that concludes our comparison of the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven. Which air fryer oven is the best for you totally depends on your personal preferences and cooking needs. Hopefully, this video will make your decision-making process a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.